built-in high-pass filter. Now the question is though, what does this thing go for? SSL2 Mark 2 Mark 2 plus Mark 2. So the bark, why the fuck am I signed out for fan? I've told you so many times, stay signed in, and instead of having the high Z on the back with the combo jacks, they have the high Z inputs on the front instead, which really in reality is preferred. So baby fine. Over. Anywho, thank you very much SSL for doing that. So, back to you guys. Hello, welcome back. Decolab Tech IRL. The fourth part of the move out vlogs. The fifth part of the move out vlogs. The second video is currently exporting. The first and fourth videos are done. So I got the second video and the third video left, and then I have an update for Necolive and the Crew Vocaloid, which is my like bass guitar cover channel or whatever the fuck. Which I haven't updated in 5 years. On the way. The clock is 12:51 AM. So, you know, good shit. So basically what I did now is to hobby. First of all, fucking fix this shit. So you are the regular boy, yes. So my idea now basically is go into the bathroom, pop off the oven in there, or pop off the stand in there. Other than that, my plan is to make some form of food. I was thinking of doing tacos, but to be honest, because of how late it is, I think I'm just gonna do pasta and meat, whatever. I may have to slap the meat in the microwave on defrost for a bit. Anyhow, Shvaparau. It is now the 3rd of October, it's Thursday. Albeit in the middle of the night before I'm going to sleep, but no matter the less, it's Thursday. It is 24 hours until the day comes that we are gonna move. Technically speaking, I guess you could add 24. 36. I guess you could have 40 hours until we actually start moving shit. 36 hours until I have the keys to the apartment. And we bring this and my electrical backpack over there and start doing some baseline work. Ah, hello there. So, we are back. It is 9 AM. I woke up for like half an hour ago. So 8:30 has kind of been the rule. Went to bed at like what? Two around there. Fair. 5 hours 59. Yeah, I said click in on it. 2:26 AM. Oh hell. Not the best sleep, not the worst sleep. Right in between. So, we are back, and what's the plan for today? Well, the plan for today, first of all, is have some coffee and just chill. But basically, today is pretty much when everything besides from like my main system, unless I decide to bring up the laptop, needs to be packed down. So the shelf in the hallway needs to come down. I still have some stuff in shelves and stuff in the kitchen to empty. So I may just rip to the store and buy a few more nets unless I can find some shopping nets deep inside of there, baby. To empty, well, I mean, the shelf, one of the shelves has like an insert. So I can just take the entire insert out and just put that in the car. My question is if I have a shelf that's deep enough for that in there. Although, it depends. I hope that, I manage to get the apartment kind of together before the 26th, because if I remember correctly, 26 is when the full version of Black Ops 6 releases. Now, here is the only problem, and the kind of annoying thing is that I've always wanted to do a playthrough series of all the Black Ops there is. And I did start to record a series of Black Ops 1, but then it broke, so yeah. I gotta build a computer with some older hardware, and then beside 980 Ti or 2 in SLI. Granted, I don't even remember if Call of Duty even supports SLI, but over like a Xeon, whatever the fuck, Asus overclocking board. Funnily enough, the CPU, I actually already have like an old system PC, whatever, that I've been looking at building, which was pretty much the same rig Joachim Haraldsson, or Nubberk as well, if you know, ran for the longest period of time, dual 980 Ti's and SLI, Xeon 56 something, I think. It was a 10 core 20 thread chip, I think, maybe. I don't remember. I have this all in like a paper. Drive files. So can I show the making an old Gen PC? Yeah, 5930K i7. Dual MSI 980 Ti, SSI, AX 1200 power supply, older AIO from Corsair, 2333 MHz, DDR4 RAM, 64 gigs. Regular old, SSD, whatever, probably a few boot drive, and then whatever 2 terabyte drive for games or whatever, since that system is gonna be primarily for older games. Like I'm talking, Call of Duty Black Ops 3 and down type, whatever. A 2 terabyte SSD should be enough. And then for, anything else, footage, whatever the fuck. I may throw a second SSD in there just for recording stuff, unless I decide to use external recording software, but I want to try and do, good old classic recording style when I do those games, aka using fraps, using fraps for the fraps or the X40 for the recording, although we gotta see how we do all that. I gotta do some settings because I know free lossless codec for the X40. I know Joachim used that for the longest period of time, but I gotta tweak some settings, because if you use the free lossless codec and you don't tweak it properly, you're gonna be shrugging performance and horsepower like another hog and a half and your file size by the end of it, depending on how long you record. But if you record for like an hour, you're gonna be sitting there expecting file sizes up in the neighborhood of 200 to 300 gigs. So yeah. Did I ever use Fraps? For the longest time I was thinking of picking up a license for Fraps. I don't even remember. Is it 30 bucks? I don't remember. Oh, so we are back. Where are we? Well, I have torn down the RGB strips. I've torn down the shelf in the bathroom. So do outfit part 2 because that shit's expensive. Tell me something I don't know. So good shit. So we are back and we have been doing work. In the bathroom. So first of all, you guys are gonna have to bear with the echo in here, but we got everything off the wall and whatever the fuck else. So basically what we need to do now is get this off the wall also. Live surgery. As long as you don't touch anything else that's grounded, you can touch live conductors, but make sure, first of all, you're not touching anything else, any metal box or anything that can be grounded. Second of all, make sure you not standing on a metal surface that will be counted as a ground plate, because then you're having the greatest time of your life. So shit. Then you will have the greatest time of your life. Okay. And for some reason I always get extra sweat whenever I do live surgery. So there you go. Then that just shifts over here. Then this is hung with what? T25. This cable to anyways, cut the cable. So you are that wire because you okay, so this is that wire. So supposedly the thinner wire here supposedly is yes, because there is the line. Yeah, because this is the terminal going to here. This is the line going for the lamp. This should now be. So this is great. So now we're dealing with SD card edits apparently, but yes, we got 0 ports. 0 volts here. That means that up here, hang. This should then have 230 then still, right? So that has 230 over it, yes, or 223. We don't have the most stable and most perfect power here, if you can say. But oh well, so yeah, so this is live, those 2 wires and this is now not live. So good shit. So always do that. Always if you don't know what is connected to what or don't remember from when you did it, always double check that shit's actually dead before you start cutting cables or whatever else. Yeah, as you say, even though I've made damage to this place, I think I've repaired more damages than what the fuck I've actually made. Because whomever contractors did everything here, and as you say, they did not do shit for the outline. So, now that outlet. I think the easiest way to go about it is going to be to do that. Because where do we have a notch here? We have a big notch in the top, so basically so if we put you up there, that should be fine. The only problem is that we need to steal the faceplate from something else that's actually grounded. Because outlets in bedrooms and kitchens, even after the old standard, is supposed to be grounded. So yeah, we gotta do some fancy shit. But now let's get if you put the outlet here, I mean the furthest we should need to cut this is like there. So good shit. So there's all of that. Then we hang you, and hope we are able to hang you without needing to do fancy bit. So turn that off so I can actually see the truck come to me. Oh wow. Okay. So, if I put this here, this should be outside the wet zone. Should be. It's all we want like this. Okay, there we go, that actually worked quite well. Once you got through the outlet handle. There we go! Perfect! If Lars is not having it great, then you better stay away. That was a joke, by the way. Just FYI. So, there we go. Then, the grounded plate on this boy. Fuck. What the fuck did I just eat? Okay, there we go. Then I turn this light off so I can see semi what the fuck I'm doing. Okay. Then vi smack on the vid. Semi-leash. Whatever. Okay. There we go. Then we do a preliminary check of this whole sheet. So 224 volts and over to ground. We have 130, so ground is also working here. Good. So that means I'm a bathroom, extra, whatever, outlet retrofit is moved and in a more proper location and is over a meter above the sink, so should theoretically be considered as zone 3. We hope. Så vi är back. Jag har fått en trailer nu. Det är pop till solplugg på det med. Så suppose ni drejen. Men vi så att ta the dishwasher. But I have to just pull the dishwasher out and do fancy shit. Har väl laskorna igång. There. You see, that's what I'm talking about. That's just not gonna work. I have an idea though. I do. Freezing bag. Regular freezing bag. So there is your water feed. Whatever that is. Then we pull this out and hope that that doesn't more water everywhere. Then we untie this. It worked pretty well. So, my idea here is just roll the bitch under the back and then just roll it on out of here. Which means I gotta get this shit out from under the dishwasher. So, easier said than done. There's also another problem we have. I'm also realizing because I could probably have managed it without that. Oh well, anywho. No, this is actually a pipe. Emptying out that really the idea. Holy shit. Okay, Yes, this just have a set of wheels. Ow. Ow. Insert the board and insert the prongs into the terminals. Slap it all the way in, and then get it all bolted in. Then we're gonna tighten down the terminals on this thing. The ground just goes directly. Then we have our big vago here. So we got neutral. And then we have live. There we go. This thing is kind of fucked. This is only hanging by one set of cables, but oh well. Så vi har kommit ut tast i tastskit. So let's check if we even have power first of all. May just be the vagos back there that's just like gone to heck or whatever the fuck. But so we should have okay, there is 234 volts here, so supposedly this thing should all work. So, what we're gonna do is there's no light in the board. How we doing? Half an SD card. Oh well. Half an SD card indeed. We have the oven. Oh, hallelujah. Oh god. Dark holy. Perfect start, you see. I don't know about that statement, but oh well. Oh well. It's good shit. We are back. And Where are we? Well, we have gotten the oven out of the kitchen. The oven, whatever the fuck, does not work. I've tried to reset it multiple times. The circuit board does not want to fire up. So it's like, whatever. They can figure all out. So what I want to do now is move the servers on top of the dishwasher and empty the bed. And then I'm going to start trying to demount the bed and try and split the frame. Because I'm fairly certain we'll not be able to freight this together like that. So I need to split the frame in half. Because it's a 140 bed and well... it's probably only like 100 maybe. Or 100. It may be 110 diagonally maybe. In the back of Oscar's car. So we need to demount that. Then I gotta pull this power cable back. I also went in and looked for the whole dishwasher bathroom situation, and I think the easiest thing for us to do is just gonna be to put in one of these like split valves, so we go from the actual outlet on the wall, and then we have two splits, one that can go to the washing machine, one that can go to the dishwasher, since we need to run both of those from the bathroom. So I think that's gonna turn out great. Although that does mean I do need to wire up a second outlet or whatever, and that does mean preferably, in case I decide to also slap a dryer in there eventually, we're gonna have to put a 20 amp there. So the oven, the stove is gonna become a 25 amp RCBO. Everything is gonna be eating RCBOs. So the kitchen is gonna be a 25 amp, the bathroom is gonna be a 20 amp, all the outlets are gonna be 16 amps. And if there's any like lighting only courses, like lighting in the roof and stuff, that will be on 10 amps. So good shite. I'll I will go over the plane a little more in depth with you guys tomorrow at like 12:30 maybe, depending on how long time that whole ordeal takes. Shouldn't it take too long? It should literally be, I mean, it's not the first contract I've written with them, so really it should just be, here's the keys, here's the contract, blah 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 blah. And I mean, I've already fixed everything as far as moving message and stuff like that, that's already fixed. Oh my. I guess they'll stay together, I guess. Probably overkick. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh. Yeah. Damn. So you guys are like completely dead. I wonder why the bed was so big. A few bolts could have been a tad tighter, but oh well. So I'm just gonna put all the bolts and stuff just back into where they came from. So technically speaking, they have feet. So technically speaking, everything should just stay. igen, stay 2 degree. Of course they are little side heavy. Yeah! Not that flexible as what we need. Hello. Speaker. Speaker power. There you go. There is your speaker. It's inside. So, I think you guys really got the idea. I think. I think you guys did. Really what's left for me to do is really total out and do a little bit of a fix to the wall. Sanda. Fill in that bitch. To be completely honest, I don't know what has happened here because it looks like this entire hole has just been shocked filled with whatever it is. Then I need to try and get a plate on both of these. The only problem is that I don't know what plates to use. Because I have one plate I could use. I have 2 plates. I have one small boy and one big boy. But they're both like cable outs, whatever. The small boy is gonna fit perfectly and just stay there. That's fine. The big boy is gonna have to be custom cut to fit. Or whatever the fuck. Will it cover them up and keep it all, you know, looking semi-nice? Yes. Is it ideal? No. So really I should have gone and bought some panels or whatever, but now it's too late. Really. Whatever the fuck, well I still have time, but it's like... do I gotta head another round to Tiller this week? I feel like I've been to Tiller this week like 5 times. And I'm usually not a guy that complains about going out to cities and whatever the fuck, but yeah, no. When you're in this situation, hello there. So you may be asking, what the fuck is this? I'm glad you asked. This is my office for tonight. Why, you may ask? Well, because it's easy access shit. That's why. That's why. Oh, it's because it's easy access shit. Wow. Let's see how this goes. There's one screen. There's a second screen. And here's my charger, whatever the fuck. Maybe you can kind of see. I'm down in here fucking plugging away. So headset, whatever. Stream Deck. Then we have keyboard. Then we have you. Which you are what? Oh, I know what you are. You are the SSL. Never mind. So you guys kinda have the backlight from the other room or whatever. Then my phone is there. Then hold up. Where is it? Almost forgot the most important thing in this whole setup. My external drive. Here we go. Okay. We have a new office setup. Lol. We have new office setup. I guess I could turn on this light for the time being. I have some extra light here, but I meant to delete that and then send that there for fan. So you know, in the camera you here. In the fucking normal camera view, it looks fine. From here it looks like I'm not even in the picture, but oh well. Anywho, besides the point. So, we are okay, let me remove that. Shite. You don't need a mere ignition switch right now. So we are back and we have moved the entire setup to the bedroom we have. So good shit. So this is pretty much where I will be spending the night. Spending the night or whatever, spending the evening at least. And then depending on depending on how well I manage to sleep because of what's happening tomorrow, it's gonna depend if I spend all night here or if I actually go into the living room and sleep. So I guess I need to alter my because I gotta alter my recording angle in order for you guys to see yak shit. So we are back. I am back home. I just had a hot dog wrapped in one of those like microwavable ones. So right now I'm just sitting here and enjoying some stacks, looking through some footage. I can delete the source footage. But I think I'm really just gonna call this it for this video. I don't know how it's gonna be after editing yet, just so I can ingest this and transfer this over. Today is the last day. Tomorrow I am getting the keys to the new apartment. I don't know if I should be excited or worried or whatever else, but here we are. So I'm just gonna watch YouTube videos, do whatever, and if I can't sleep, just game the night away or whatever. Which is probably a bad thing to do on the thought of what's happening tomorrow, but oh well. So with that, I think I'm just gonna say thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna sit here and chill, offload you guys, if I can get my card reader out of here. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you guys did, like would be greatly appreciated, and as always, check the links down below for my socials and all that. And until tomorrow morning, stay tuned and stay awesome. And I grab the heck out of here.